y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
Alrighty, friends, we're back.
Ooh, she gave me this ain't Texas. There ain't no hold up.
Okay. Sorry. No.
Lay your cards down.
Hey.
All right.
Hey. Okay. So, all right. So we're back. We're about to do a rum punch recipe. This one is specific to Trinidad. Okay. I'm hoping for the best because the rum segment kind of killed me. So I'm hoping that it's better with the
Cameraman, go ahead and morph me into that little child with the glasses with the old people party.
Oh shit. Hey.
Because I'm already there.
Are you? You lit? Is it a lituation? No.
Let's go.
Oh my God, I hate you. All right, so listen. Okay, we're gonna run down what you need for this recipe, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I don't even know what this is called, but it's basically sugar water. Hella sugar, though. Hella parts sugar. This is liquor math. Hella parts sugar, okay? And I kid you not, the instructions were literally boil 4 cups of water and pour sugar like a mad person. That was literally the instructions, all caps. So basically, it's water with hella sugar, okay? Then you want a gold rum. It was really particular about the fact that if it's white, it is not going to work.
Wow. You know what? Let's do more.
Just skip that. Lime juice and a dash, it said, of the Angostura bit.
First of all, you put a dash in a cocktail. You doing a picture? A dash?
They literally said a
Couple
dash. I think we have to dash away a little bit because, again, it's a greater volume, like you mentioned.
Let's go.
All right. Now, we have not tried this rum. This is 10-1. So you know what we have to do. We have to try it a little bit.
Hopefully it's not like that cane.
That cane shit was nasty. Beat Shim's ass when I see him.
But he's only like 50 pounds.
No, he's not.
He really is.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be just fine, okay? Oh my God. Okay. Put that over there. Well, all right. Let's okay. Let's taste this. All right. As it goes, I think we'll be fine. All right. 10-1. All right. So now listen, we're going to kind of manipulate this recipe just a tinge because we're worried about space in this picture, okay? And we're not trying to look like that one.
6 cups of liquor. And at least we know what we're working with.
Okay, that's facts.
Yeah.
But the point is that it was really asking for a lot of stuff. And this is a pretty decent sized little picture. But we're not trying to be like that one episode we had. The sangria episode, I think it was, with Ebony. Yeah, we're not trying for that. So should I start off with 4? Or 3?
Let's see what 6. Let's do 4 because that's the max, right?
Max here. We didn't make it 4. So we're gonna do 3 and 1/4. Sure.
Well, what is that 3?
Yeah, it's 3 and
Okay,
a little.
so
It's 3 and a little.
So that's half. What we get with that?
Half this?
No, half. Oh, since we're already at half, yeah. Don't mind us. We'll put the instructions at the bottom.
We'll actually give you the like real recipe.
Sounds like somebody gonna do something after they drink it, right? Yeah.
I'm just saying. Okay.
No, we're gonna need more than that. We're gonna need more than that.
So go ahead and get that. Alrighty then. And it already has in some Angostura. So I had 3 and a little bit showing. chewing a little bit.
Maybe.
Just chewing a little bit.
Just a little. What's up with the face?
I don't know. I feel inspired. Okay, there we go. This is a lot of rum, but that's okay. Little tap there. And
I'm a little scared now. Go ahead.
okay, well, we gonna find out. Why it sound like that? Sorry. You know what? Hold on.
Oh, it look like tea.
A little bit like kind of like iced tea.
Oh, we poured the whole thing in.
No, it's fine. I think we're gonna make it to the two because we still gotta put the ice thing. Can you open this, child? Why is it so hard to open? Yeah, but there's a top that.
More than what we normally do for a cocktail.
So should I do the one?
Should not the one you bought it to, right?
Yeah.
One of them.
Okay. Ew, boy. Okay, hey. We.
Like on
Yeah, it look a little, you know.
we get it fucked up tonight. Alright, you know what?
Now, what I do need to, could you just get a couple glasses? Because I forgot the most important thing. How we gonna taste this bitch?
I don't know if this is appropriate, but
We'll wipe that up later. Okay. Cheers. You go first.
I liked it. I thought I was gonna get like some diabetes.
I mean, we still may get diabetes. But because it is very sweet,
No,
but it's good.
I'm gonna give this a 9. I like it.
Go ahead and break it down. Give me all your commentary. It's the top of this board.
It tastes like tea. Surprisingly, it looked like tea, but it tastes like tea.
It does
With
look
a
like
hint of
tea.
honey, which I don't understand where the honey part comes from. Sugar.
Maybe. Okay, so you gave it. Yeah, so you gave it a 9. Okay. All right. Yeah, in hindsight. Okay, what had happened was I forgot glasses with actual ice. That would be kind of good for tasting. So assuming this is chilled, it would be hidden. It is really sweet, but I thought it was going to be nasty. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be nasty. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this. I'll agree with you. I'll give it a 9. I'll admit, when I was making the syrup, I guess that was really what it was, a syrup. I was worried. I was like, this is a lot of sugar. I mean, it literally says that you're going to use like a gallon of sugar, which is very unhealthy. Very unhealthy. But it's really delicious.
But it's lime juice, right?
Yeah. And keep in mind, it called for two cups of the lime juice. And we only put like 1 1/4 because we were worried about space. We did. So assuming that we upped like our lime juice, maybe it wouldn't be as sweet. It would still be sweet,
Right.
but maybe it wouldn't be as sweet. But this is good.
I like this.
definitely have it at the party.
Yeah.
I think Trinidad has one. I like this.
You didn't disappoint me this time. The rums was trash, but the 10-1 was good though.
I
The
mean-
10-1 was good.
The rum was strong. It wasn't nasty.
No, the second one that we tasted was nasty. The cane,
It was just strong.
oh, I thought that was nasty.
I
The
mean,
Angostura one was not that strong. It was a little smoother, and it kind of just gave me the bitters taste. It gave me the bitters. But I would drink this. I would, yeah.
I like it. But other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell. Ring it. Okay? Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Anyway, we'll be back.